Teachers can send and receive messages to their school admin and parents, provided their account is set to public. To send a message, click on the Compose Message button. In the search engine, type the name of your school admin, or the parent to whom you wish to send the message. Click on their name when it appears, and click the Add Participant button. Then construct your message, with an appropriate subject and body, before sending it out. Messages you send out will be in the Sent tab of your inbox. Managing your inbox messages efficiently is not only essential, but can also be simplified with a few straightforward steps. Simply click on the message to expand it. Then look for the reply button located below the message. Clicking on this button allows you to compose your response effortlessly. This reply appears under the thread in the conversation once it is delivered. When a teacher's account is set to private by their school admin, they cannot communicate with parents. However, they can receive and reply to messages from their school admin. Contact your school admin if your account is set to private and you wish to communicate with parents. Greynote. School management made easy.